How to cancel Shopify subscription on phone. Open up any browser on your phone. Type in shopify.com in the search or address bar at the top of your browser and hit enter. This will take you to the Shopify website. When you're on the Shopify homepage, look for those three little horizontal lines, usually at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on them. Now, a menu will pop up, and you'll see an option that says Login. Tap on that. Go ahead and log into your Shopify account with your email and password. Once you're logged in, tap on those three horizontal lines again. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now, you'll see a bunch of options, but what you want is Plan. Tap on that. Within the Plan section, look for Cancel Subscription. If you're on a trial, it might say Cancel Trial instead. Tap on whichever applies to you. After tapping on Cancel, they'll probably ask you why you're leaving. Choose whatever reason makes sense to you from the list. Tap on Continue to move forward. Finally, you'll see an option to deactivate store. Tap on that, and boom, you're done. Your Shopify subscription is canceled. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to cancel your Shopify subscription right from your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.